I just received my 14 PSI wastegate, my Turbo Smart IWG75. So I went ahead and bought another set of charge pipes. You know the car's been sitting for a while once you see this. Good morning guys, welcome back to another video. I'm heading over to In-N-Out. I'm really hungry and yeah, that's pretty much it. So in 97 miles, it's only a quarter tank gas that was used. That's actually not too bad for a V6, honestly guys. I thought it would be worse than that. But it's 11 in the morning and it's hella people already. Look at all that, look at that. Traffic though bro, all that huge ass line at the back. Shit, it's in the morning. I don't know how people want to eat burgers in the morning. I mean, I do too, but fuck it. No, a lot of people know about this protein style burgers. So instead of the buns, they wrap it around with lettuce. Obviously, if you don't want carbohydrates and want to save some weight, this is what you go for. It's good. It's hella good. Alright guys, I know it's been a couple of days, but I was busy. But guess what? I just received my 14 PSI wastegate. Alright, I'll take this off.
2 hours later.
My Turbo Smart IWG75 internal wastegate actuator. That was a long name. But yeah, my tripod is leaning as well. Alright, I noticed I don't usually do this, but I'm gonna do it for the first time. So, I am gonna give you guys 3 seconds for you guys to hit the subscribe button, and I'm just gonna patiently stand here. So yeah, just go down and just subscribe right now. Alright, so this spring is this wastegate has a 14 PSI spring. These wastegates can be upgraded to whatever PSI you guys want. So the Turbo Smart wastegate ranges from 3 to 26 PSI springs. I went for 14. I think that's all I need. If I need is higher than that, I can buy a bigger spring and put it on. And I see this question a lot on the internet, that if you guys need a tune for this wastegate. The answer is yes you do, because you are dealing with boost pressure. This creates a flatter boost curve, which does take away the turbo lag, which means that the boost is more consistent and it builds faster. It also is way much more better than the factory one, because we Ecoboost owners know that in higher RPMs, the Ecoboost is really shit. And the Ecoboost really picks up in the mid-range, but this will really help the curve to flatten out, and we can see more boost in the higher RPMs. So pretty much our Ecoboost lack power in the higher RPMs rather than the mid-range. Our mid-range, we have the torque, we feel more power, which is why we keep getting gapped, because our higher RPMs, we can't really make boost, therefore we can't really make power. So yeah, my wastegate is gonna go in a couple of days on Wednesday. And yeah, I have also another important update about my charge pipes that I ordered from CV Fab. It was the racing intercooler charge pipes. You guys know the OEMs don't fit with the racing intercooler, so I went ahead and ordered CV Fab charge pipes. And guess what? I've been waiting for 2 or 3 weeks for them, and because of those I can't really get my car built. And I contacted them, I emailed them, and they told me that they won't be in stock till June. And I immediately told them that to get my money back and get my refund, because I don't want to wait 2 more weeks. I've been waiting for a month for everything to come in. And my shop I've been rescheduling my shop every single week because my parts aren't in. So I went ahead and bought another set of charge pipes. It's the AEM charge pipes on AmericanMuscle.com. They were double the price, and I hope they are better than the CV Fab. I'm not sure how they are. I've never heard about the company before, but I'll let you guys know. So yeah, I'm towing my car on Wednesday to the shop. Hopefully my charge pipes come by Wednesday, or if not, by the end of the week is fine. Rather than the CV Fab charge pipes that were gonna come or delivered to my house by the mid-June. And I don't want to keep you guys waiting too. And I don't, it's kind of boring, like not making content about the Ecoboost. And even my parts, my high pressure fuel pump, and my turbo is kind of getting old. I don't want them to start getting old, you know. They might die off too, you know, old age, you know. So yeah, back to this car. This car has been sitting for a month now. And hopefully by Wednesday we can put it back together and bring it back to life. Wait, what? It says system off to save battery. Okay, I guess you're saving battery, sir. Is that what it is? I've never seen that before. You know the car's been sitting for a while once you see this. Damn. Well, I miss it. So yeah, I haven't sat in there for a while.